Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we on dark mode setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to on dark mode setting in your Oppo phone. So how can you on today? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on dark mode setting. First of all, guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, guys, we will scroll it and we will click on the display and brightness setting guys. Tap here and you can see guys your dark mode setting this right side, so I will click on right side icon and you can see switch to dark mode. So friends, come back and you can see your dark mode will on in your Oppo phone device, so you can use your dark mode setting. You can see guys your Oppo phone dark mode setting. So like that guys, you can on guys your dark mode setting in your Oppo phone and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.